Muslims love Al-Aqsa, pray for it, fight for it, and die. And why it should not be so very first, an important aspect of a believers. Dedication and many pious individuals have given their best and life. Include the fact that Masjid Al-Aqsa is the first qibla of the Muslims. It is the نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. Al-Aqsa is crying out for help. Respectable Chief Guest, Honorable President of today's program, respected teachers and all dignitaries present. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I want to speak some humble words on the most important and concerning topic. Al-Aqsa is crying out for help. Dear audience, we are well aware of the fact that Masjid Al-Aqsa and Jerusalem carry a control in the identity of all Palestinians, and the Muslims as a whole have a high regard for it. But unfortunately, Al-Aqsa is really a deep wound right in the heart of the Muslim world. Muslims love Al-Aqsa, pray for it, fight for it, and die. And why it should not be so very first, an important aspect of a believers. Dedication and many pious individuals have given their best and life. Include the fact that Masjid Al-Aqsa is the first qibla of the Muslims. It is the station of Al-Isra and Al-Miraj, the miracles of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is the place where hundreds of messengers of Allah are buried. It is the place where many companions of the Prophet are buried. It is a place which Allah Himself calls a blessed place. It is referred to directly and indirectly 70 times in the glorious Quran. It is the only masjid mentioned by name in the whole Quran apart from the Kaaba. Brothers in Islam, history has not recorded any shaded source our religious values, historical rights and glory of our civilization, as well as international conspiracy and intervention, war of many languages, and playing with covenants and resolutions. As the issue of Muslim Palestine, the blessed Al-Qudus and Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa, wherein plans are being held with open enmity at the hands of the world powers. Are we not enough that has its sources where use historical rights? What does Quran and Sunnah as well as our faith affirm? What does our history of the week recorded, which literally comes from death, the war between, as introduced is the war of faith, identity and resistance? Are we not reading the words of Allah at this? Well, you will find the strong among men enmity to the believers Muslims. As introduced polity Surah Al-Ma'idah. Never will the Jews nor the Christians will be placed with you till you follow their religion. Surah Al-Baqarah. Follow Muslims. Today, a war against the enemies of yesterday, today and tomorrow. As introduced descendants Banu Qurayza, Banu Nadir, Banu Qaynuqa. Where wind up my speak thank you.
Very much wonderful speech. Dr. Maulana Sheikh Muhammad Hamidi gave 1500 rupees for all students. The light and human. Next speaker Abu Huraira, whose topic is equality and justice in Islam.